Hello, my name is Jeff Morgan and this is FNVI. The topic today is CFIHOS Discipline Survey. I want to quickly run you through how to complete this survey form. Right, so what we've got here is the address to the discipline survey. There it is there. I'm going to put a link to it in here. Quite simply, click on the discipline survey and there it opens up. Now what we did notice, I've got a wide screen on my computer, so if you shrink it down to something like this just by resizing the window, it actually presents better. So we'll just go ahead and fill in some details here. And job role, let's put MD, email Jeff at co.uk, and that again so we can give feedback and who knows has completed the survey. So this is all a list of the disciplines that we brought in from Erin Jones's compilation list. So if I click here, you'll see that it jumps into the list of all of the different sources. So this is administrative, and you can see in CFIHOS we've got AA, management engineering. From Chevron there's those, etc. So all the candidate needs to do is literally pick off the ones which apply to their company. Now if the one that applies to their company isn't here, then they can type it here. Discipline code will say that's AB, for example, and this company is called let's say this company calls it admin, so that would create a new one. Otherwise they would just tick them off here. Go through and complete all of those. There's 90 in total. If I just pick on instrumentations, for example, if I can find instrumentation, it's there in the list somewhere. 1 second. I'm looking right at it, and what's noticed it, there's instrumentation there. So this instrumentation, as you can see, CFIHOS is IAN's instrumentation, Chevron it's ICS, instrumentation controls. Let's say in this case that my company X agrees with those. Just tick those and go on to the next question. Again, just click on the category and it goes back. Now what we've also included, if you have a category of a discipline that's not in this list, then it's quite simple that you can click on new and put in your name. I don't know, we say we have a jigsaw and it's our discipline code was a G. That would then be submitted and it would end up as a new discipline request. We would review those before we add them to the survey list, but just make you aware of the fact that if your company has a discipline that's not in this list, then that's got the facility for doing that. And then once that's completed, it's quite simple just to fill all those out and click on the submit button. You can see it says there it's successfully been submitted, and in the background that goes to our survey tool. We'll consolidate those and group them together and issue results to the CFIHOS team. What we quickly would like to mention, that if any of the companies don't have time to fill this out, if they'd care to email their discipline code list, we'll gladly complete the survey on their behalf. So if you can send that to jeff@fnvi.co.uk, that's GEOFF@fnvi.co.uk. We will conduct and complete the survey form for any company that doesn't have time to do it. So basically, if you send those lists in, we'll do it, or you can use the online tool and complete the survey. It's entirely up to the companies themselves. We're quite prepared to do that. My name is Jeff Morgan. For the purpose of this demonstration, that's it complete.